What's up, everybody? I'm Chad with Charleston Car Videos at Southern Motor Company, as you already know. Today we're going to be filming a 2017 GMC Acadia. We don't get too many opportunities to film GMC Acadias, so I went ahead and said, you know what, let's go ahead and show it, talk about it. It's actually a very nice vehicle. It's going to be a great vehicle for somebody out there needing a mid-size SUV, which we got a big selection of them right now at Southern Motor Company. So stay with us, let's talk about it, let's go take it for a drive and see what it's all about. All right, there it is, the 2017 GMC Acadia. This one's got the all-terrain package on it, which is really nice. I mean, I'm liking this vehicle here. This is definitely got a nice look about it. It really does. And also for 17, I mean, it's got the newer front fascia, good looking wheels. I mean, just the entire vehicle has got such a nice, clean body style to it. I mean, smooth body lines, all this stuff. I mean, yeah, I'm selling the sizzle, baby, and I know you're ready for it. So anyways, the front of the car, take a look. Got a good looking grille. Kind of has that black chrome going on right up in here, which looks nice. Big GMC logo. I mean, look at that. Almost as big as my hand, or maybe it's bigger than my hand, right? Headlights look nice as well. They got the projectors right there. And coming down bottom, you got your fog lights down there. The body of the vehicle is in great shape. No dents, no dings, no major scratches, none of that. I mean, practically like a brand spanking new vehicle coming right off the showroom floor. I mean, that's just how clean it is. Let's take a look at the alloy wheels for a minute. Really good looking alloy wheels. They got a machine face on them, which is that bright silver, and then a painted part on the inside there with a little bit lighter, a little bit darker color silver, which kind of makes the wheel pop. Michelin tires, you can't go wrong with Michelins. All right, here's the side body of the vehicle. Looks good, right? Also has these smooth, almost flush side steps down on the bottom. You know, if you weren't paying attention, you wouldn't even realize it had side steps. But when you open up the door, I mean, honestly, they're kind of, well, I got to unlock it first. So we'll do that on the other side. But anyways, when you open the door up, the step gets even bigger. I also like the roof racks up top. Check it out. You got right here, then you got the crossbars. It's got the GMC logo on it. So I like that. I can see some of y'all putting some pads up on those bars there. So you throw your surfboard on there and all that kind of stuff, your kayaks. You know, that's the look that you're going for with your all-terrain package Acadia. You know what I'm saying? It's kind of like, hey, the family car, but sporty. I mean, really, I could see myself driving this, going up to the mountains, just enjoying life here in the United States of America. That's what it's all about. Also has a dual exhaust, backup camera, backup sensors, and you got it. It's got a tow package right here for you as well. Man, this thing just keeps getting nicer and nicer and nicer. I'm liking it. You know, vehicles in general, a lot of times we're filming cars that are maybe 5 to 7 years old, you know, even older cars a good bit of the time. So I'm really enjoying right now being able to film some stuff that's a little bit newer. We get to see all the new techie features and all that kind of stuff. So when you work at a pre-owned car lot, a lot of times you get to film older stuff. So I'm enjoying this, I really am. Also has the power tailgate. Now to think about it though, you know, I'm sitting here talking, I'm like 5 years old, 10 years old, really 2017, 18, 19, 20, 21. So it's a 4-year-old vehicle right now. Technically 5 because it probably came out about a year in advance. Now the interior of this one is sweet. Are y'all ready? Man, it's lit. That's what the young people say, right? Look at this, okay? You got this nice big mat in the back. I love that tan kind of dark brown color, which looks good going around it. Also, it's real grippy on the bottom so it doesn't move around. Look at that. You got more storage right here. Check that out. Now, I'm kind of wondering right now, is there a third row seat? I don't know. I'm not sure just yet, but I'm going to find out for you if there's a third row seat in here. Usually your Acadias and your Enclaves and your Traverses have a third row seat, but maybe not. It does got some kind of railing system right in here, but I guarantee it does have a third row. You know why? Because look at this, guys. Here is the telltale, right? Cup holders It's got third rows, absolutely. And you can pull that right there and drop that down. Pull that, drop that down, and look how massive. Look at all that space in the back of this thing. Holy macaronis. Even has a charging port right there for back passengers. I'm telling you, the Acadia just gets nicer and nicer and nicer. Hit the button, drop it down. Wow. All right, y'all ready? Let's hop in. Let's take it for a drive. Before we do, though, let's go ahead and put these back seats back up. Let's see how the third row is, though. Gotta have one. I'm telling you, it's gotta have a third row back here. Actually, interesting. Interesting. I thought it was a third row seater, but I'll be right back. All right, I thought we had a third row, but actually it doesn't have a third row seat in the back of this one, which is fine. If you're watching, you know, you may say to yourself, well, I don't really need a third row seat. So this may be just fine for you. I'm really liking the interior though. This is really sweet. This dark brown looks so good with the black, the contrast. You got the gray headliner, kind of gives it a really nice open feel on the inside. Plenty of leg room. I mean, that's a bunch of leg room. So comfort. I'm feeling the air blowing on my knee right now and on my chest. I'm loving that. So we got cold air coming out for these hot summers. And down here, check this out. We got 2 USB ports right there and a 120 volt max 150 watt outlet there like you have in your house. So good stuff, right? For charging. Throw the maps, tablets, iPads in there. We got handles above the window sills, lights, microphones for the kids or whoever's riding in the back. And then right here, yes, we got a center cup rest. I love the cup rest. Every cup needs to be comfortable as possible. So definitely GMC hook those cups up so they can be comfortable. And you got a little bit of room for comfort for your elbow right there. So that's very nice. You also have cup holders here, cubby hole there, and a bottle holder down there, right? So all that's looking good. Dash, look at it. Very clean. Just a really nice layout inside the GMC. You know, General Motors really does know how to build cars, and they've been doing it for a long time. Pontiac, Buick, Chevrolet, GMC, Cadillac. It goes on and on and on, right? All right, so another thing you'll notice right there on the window, if you can see that, Wi-Fi 4G LTE with OnStar. Very nice. Moving right along, I also like this feature here. Right there, okay? This is kind of cool. You can actually control the height of the tailgate. Max height all the way up if you're taller like me, 3/4 or off altogether. So that's kind of cool. You got a Bose stereo. Yeah, I'm liking that. Another cup holder, bottle holder here. Very clean there. Power windows, mirrors, door locks. Coming over here, you got your power seats, lumbar support, perforated leather with the holes in it. Lets it breathe and stay cooler. I like the piping around the seats. Man, oh man, this is really nice. Now, if we really want to add in a few more things to this video, well, hang on a minute, guys and girls. Let's go ahead and get in and get our seatbelt on. So as you're seeing, looks like we got an all-wheel drive system on the vehicle. Hill assist. I mean, that's really nice. I think this section right here, this little button, this is where the all-terrain package comes into play. So you got all that. Automatic transmission, upshift, downshift, kind of like a sequential sport shift right in this area. You got the heated seats up front. Okay, I don't know if we got cooled seats or not, but heated seats are nice to have. 2 USB ports, auxiliary 12 volt, dual climate control. Good looking screen here, touch screen as well. And the next thing I'm going to tell you, look at the mileage on the car. 8433. Look at that. I mean, somebody didn't even drive this car. 8,400 miles? That's next to nothing on it, right? All right, let's see how she drives. We're gonna take her right down the road here on our normal test drive that we do, and then we'll head on back down to the store, and we'll give you kind of our last thoughts, how much money this is gonna cost you, all that stuff. Stay with us. All right, here we go. Oh yeah, feels good. Plenty of get up. Not bad there. Comfortable sitting inside the car. It's definitely one of those type vehicles that doesn't feel too big. So it's a good sized car. Take it down a little farther here. Whoa, brakes feel good. I'm liking that. All around, pretty nice car. You know, let's give it some gas. Oh boy, that sounded good. All right, very nice. So this vehicle, again, has 8,400 miles on it. The price for a 2017 GMC Acadia All Terrain today is priced at $36,900 for this right here. $36,900. All right, let's put her in reverse. See how she does. Feels pretty good. All right, so you got to watch the video. Let me know, what do you think about a GMC Acadia? Is this something you like? You know, what vehicles are you looking at out there in the marketplace right now? If you're out there actually shopping pre-owned vehicles and you're looking at mid-size SUVs, which ones are you looking at? Are you comparing the Acadia against the 4Runner? Are you looking at, you know, different types of vehicles? Are you looking at Honda Pilots? What are you looking at? Or are you the type of person that just kind of shows up on the car lot and, you know, and sees something that kind of catches your attention, you test drive it, next thing you know, you're buying it? I get it. There's a lot of people out there that don't necessarily go online and figure out exactly what they want. You know, some folks just buy off of the cuff, and, you know, and that's fine too. So that's, you know, honestly, that is why car dealerships like ours and many others are still around today, because there is a lot of people that just enjoy car shopping and buy off the cuff like that, okay? You know, so if that's what you like to do, come on by and see us at Southern Motor Company. We'd love for you to come by and take a look at a car and fall in love with something. All right, everybody, have a blessed day. Thanks for watching. I'm Chad with Charleston Car Videos, and you got it, Southern Motor Company.